Hi and welcome to another episode of Safe Unplugged. Today we have Divyank with us. Divyank, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you so much, Payal, for having me here. And it is a very unique thing that I'm doing. So I'm pretty excited.
Have you done it before? Have you done something?
No, never.
Good. So then this is going to be a good way to start many more.
Yeah, hopefully.
So let's start with a little bit about you, Divyank. Who is Divyank and where does he come from?
So I'm currently working as a software developer engineer 2 in Safe Security. Before that, I have also been part of ShareChat and I did my studies from BITS Pilani. So like my hometown is in Nainital, Uttarakhand. So I come all the way from hills and so with work and outside of work, usually I'm a tech guy. That is why I've opted for it. Even being a chemical engineer now, I'm currently handling Safe's platform. So that is a pretty a different experience for me. But yeah, since I love this domain, that is why I have opted for it. And outside of work, I usually love everything about different kind of sports. I follow a lot of sports and I like to chill, have fun. And that aspect I think is common in work as well as outside of the work. I don't like to be very serious during work as well.
So you enjoy the work that you do.
Right. And I like to vibe with everyone, even in difficult situations also. I try to keep it calm.
All right. You joined us about 8 months ago. If Safe Security was a person, how would you describe it?
Right. So, yeah, like you mentioned, it's almost going to be in the air right now. But working at Safe, first of all, I would like to mention that 8 months are equal to working here for 8 years. I've learned so much, and if you compare it with the experience that I am having, so then it is like 8 days that I am having so much fun that I don't realize when the time has gone up.
Okay.
So and if I have to compare Safe Security to a person, so probably someone in your class who is a super smart guy who is not just good at studies, but you always have that guy that others might envy him, and he is not just good at studies, he is good at making connections with everyone, he is good at other extracurricular activities, all those stuff. So Safe is like that. We are not just at the forefront of cybersecurity related stuff, we are the innovators in the AI aspects, and not to forget the fact that it is a very vibrant very vibrant, exuberant kind of a person. Just look at how the diversity we have in our company. We have people from not just around the country but the whole world. So that is a very good thing. And not to forget that how we party, right? So Safe has to be that person who is life of the party every time.
That's good to know. Within these 8 months, has there ever been a moment where you've said, wow, I'm so glad I'm at Safe, and wow, what a moment?
Right. Not any. I think there have been many such moments from, starting to, because every day at Safe, you have to be prepared to, learn something new. And the reason you do this job or any job for that matter is, when you learn something, you get that satisfaction that, okay, I have achieved this. And here we are achieving milestones every day. So that is very satisfactory one. One moment, if I have to pinpoint specifically, which I'll say is the top moment for me, when we delivered, everyone at Safe worked relentlessly for FairCon demo. Yeah. And we were so excited for it. And when I was watching that video of Saket's keynote demo, and when the feature that was also my initial feature that I led as a whole, completely by myself. Okay. And when Saket delivered it, seeing the feedbacks of the customer makes you realize that how it is impacting their lives as well, and the impact that we are creating. So yeah, that was very satisfactory and very motivational for me as well to raise the bar. Right?
Yeah. If you had to convince a friend of yours, Divyank, to be at Safe Security, what's the one thing you would definitely want them to know?
Most important one, I think, if I want them to know, is that you have to be ready for challenges. Every day is going to be a new challenge, and if you love that kick that you get when someone just throws a ball out at you out of nowhere, so that you have to be prepared for that. And if you enjoy that, this is the place to be. Yes. And I think one quality that person who is joining Safe needs to have is curiosity, because every day you have to learn something new, and if you are not curious, you cannot do so.
If you could trade jobs with one person in the company, any job,
right?
Pick up any department, who would that person be, number one, and what would that job be, and what would you do?
I think I would like to be Ek Din Ka Mukhyamantri.
Okay.
I'd like to be CEO.
Okay.
Saket's job I would like to experience for a day.
Okay.
Reason being, when I compare it to myself, that how many new things I'm experiencing every day. Now just do that 100x, and that is what Saket is experiencing every day.
Right.
So, recently we were also having a conversation with him during the lunch, and he was just telling about his usual day, and that was, it is so the most challenging job at SAFE, but the reason anyone is at SAFE is because of the challenges. So why not take the challenge to 100x?
That's nice to know. I will let Saket know to let you be CEO for one day. Okay. You mentioned that, you were very excited about the keynote that Saket delivered because there was a feature that you had implemented. So you have more examples. Could you share more examples of where your work is contributing to the bigger picture at SAFE?
Right. So, this is actually something I'm very much proud of, that I'm part of the platforms team here at SAFE. And for us, like every team, you know how much customer obsessed we are.
Yeah.
And every team is, catering to the customers. But as platforms team, not just the external customers are our customers, but even the internal teams. We enable them to support our customers.
Correct.
So if there is no platform team, there is no platform management, then no one can deliver anything for our customers.
Correct.
And we are kind of the backbone of SAFE.
That's really good. That's actually really well put. I have a rapid fire for you, Divyank. Are you ready?
Yes.
If you could create a holiday,
Uh-huh.
what would you call that holiday, and what would be the significance of the holiday?
I like gaming, so I'll say World
Game day.
Gamer Day. Yes.
All right. If you could instantly teleport somewhere right now, where would you go?
Spain.
Okay.
I would like to watch Real Madrid play. So
Okay.
yeah,
Okay. If you could be invisible for a day,
right.
what would you be doing?
I can't think of anything specific. But yeah, I think I will go to, some public gathering and experience it from a point of view that no one can watch you.
Okay.
So where I cannot be very easily, for example.
Spotted.
Yeah.
Okay. Fair enough. What's your favorite Slack emoji?
Slack emoji. I'm a chill guy. So, there is one chill guy emoji now.
Enact
And
me.
Slack. Oh, चश्मा पहन के ऐसे खड़ा रहता है ना.
Okay. What is your spirit animal during a deadline crunch?
Horse, I will say.
Okay,
Just
you're a
keep on
horse.
running.
You're running
Yeah.
constantly. Okay. Tea or coffee?
Green tea.
Well done. If you could have one thing on your bucket list that you can strike off this year,
Yeah.
what would that be?
This year I have in mind Europe trip only. That is going to be my first, at least. So I'm hoping I'll cover it.
And what are you covering in Europe?
This year I have planned, I'm trying to plan a trip to Azerbaijan to watch F1. So, Formula 1.
Oh, for F1.
Bucket,
Okay.
Yes.
That's nice. If you were not an engineer, Divyank, and this is my last question, what would you be?
So, I think as a kid, though you always want to be astronaut, I think everyone would want. But right now that I have seen so many experiences, I think I would want to be a scuba diver.
Okay.
Probably, yeah. I would like, because you get to connect to so many people. Every day you are meeting different people from all around the world. So
Okay, so you like to be a scuba diver.
And I like it very much. So
All right. Thank you so much for doing this with us.
Thank you so
for
much,
joining
Ayat.
us.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for more. We'll have a lot more on Safe Unplugged.